In this video, we will be creating our first workflow in n8n. So first, go to n8n and click on the Create Workflow button and add a name for your workflow. Now add your first node by clicking on the plus button in center to add a node and search for trigger. The next node that we will be using is a HTTPS request node that will allow to get news from a website. Once you have added the URL, click on the Execute Step button to check if the URL works properly or not. When you see data being retrieved from the URL, you can proceed to setting up the next node. The next node will be a code node that will allow us to format the data received from the URL. On the left side of the code node, you can see the data that we got from the URL. Just drag the articles part of the data into the code. The main purpose of this code will be to format the data of the URL. Once you have added the code, execute the step to check if the code is working properly or not. Now we will proceed to our last node, which will allow us to send the news as an email. Search for a Send Email node. In this, it will be required to add some credentials. Go to Google and search for app passwords and click on the first link. Here you will see a link by the name of Create and Manage App Passwords. Click on this link and verify your Google account. After verification, add a new app password and copy it. Once you have got your app password, go back to n8n. Open up the Send Email node, add the user as your email, app password and the same hostname like I typed in. Now click on Save, and you will see a green alert that shows that your credentials have been added. Now the Send Email node, add the From and Send Email, add the subject like, and you can add the content in HTML or text form. Grab the data from the left side and set up your content. I am using an HTML-based content for this workflow. Once this is done, go out of this window and click on the Execute Workflow button. This will execute all of your nodes, and within seconds you will receive an email of the news. We have successfully executed this workflow in n8n. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.